walking in the sand. High tide washed away our footsteps. Seagulls crying, the wind blowing in your hair. So long ago, yet I remember it so clearly. Will I ever see you again? It hurts. I miss you.
Closing the dark where my heart is hiding.